Claire Shipman.
Thank you. Good morning, class of 2025. I know that many of you feel Good morning, class of 2025. Many of you feel some amount of frustration with me, and I know you feel it with the administration. And I know we have a strong, strong tradition of free speech at this university. And I am feedback, which I am getting right now. The work of your generation will be to shape these interesting times, to define the values